Jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Ayy, jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Chain Aquafina, bitch, I think I might drown. Red dot on your nose, got you looking like a clown. My niggas got laser sharp shooters with the razors. Fuck what you say, I bought. Give me the best of the band. Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's loads of fame. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today's video is sponsored by WorldNewHair. And these are all the goodies that I got, guys. I never had a company send me so many things that came with the wig. Okay, so all these goodies. Now, here's the wig. This is a body wave 24-inch 5x5 lace closure, HD lace closure wig. Okay, as you guys can see, it's full. It's nice. It's a great amount. Like, to me, I feel like it was very full. And this is the wig. I actually bleached the knots. Okay, so this is me showing you guys bleaching the knots. And I wanted to go for a fall look, being that it's September now, guys. I wanted to go for a fall look. So as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, that I wanted to do a nice highlighted, you know, look. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just using regular 30 developer with the BW bleach. And I'm just honestly going by a video I seen. I think it was from V here or Vi here, VI here. I'm gonna tag her. I got the idea from her. You know, she used 2 different developers, but I'm using one, a 30 developer, because that's just what I have. So I'm using what I have. And yeah, basically you see me here bleaching the hair. And honestly, guys, the hair bleached very, very well. The hair, I had no issues with the hair while it was bleaching. It bleached. It didn't bleach too fast. It bleached like a good amount of time. You know, it was perfect for me, honestly. Even after I bleached the hair and I was washing it out, there was rarely any shedding. Maybe a few strands, like nothing crazy. So yeah, I'm just working the bleach in. So like I said, I'm not really I'm not a professional when it comes to bleaching, but I definitely know how to color hair and bleach hair. Now I did try a new method, which is what I saw V here doing and what a lot of girls are doing. Some people call it like the piano hair, but basically I used the weaving technique to achieve the highlights that I had. Now I could have left the bleach on the second time a little bit longer, but I don't want to like over process any type of hair. As you guys can see, the hair is so pretty already. And as you guys can see, like, it looks a little brassy, but I ended up fixing that. I don't show how I fixed that, but I do show what I used to fix it, so you guys will see. But like I said, as you can see, the hair is bleaching, but this is after like maybe 10-15 minutes. Like, the hair doesn't take long to bleach, but it's not too fast either, like, you know. So I definitely like, I just love the hair. I had no issues bleaching the hair. And I bleached the hair twice so that I could get highlights. That's the only reason why I bleached the hair again, which you guys will end up seeing. And yes, guys, when you are bleaching or dyeing, doing whatever to your wigs, make sure you protect that damn tripod, okay? I put a plastic bag over my tripod because I don't want it to get messed up. Now, I did mess up by not putting a plastic bag over the actual dome head, the mannequin head, because, honey, like, that thing gets messy, and then now you have bleach on your mannequin head. So, just a tip, guys. But as you can see, it's lightening very perfectly, and I had no issues. So this is how I did mine. Now you could do yours a little bit more neater, but this is how I bleached my hair. As you guys saw, it was very beautiful and I loved it. And honestly, I'm so in love with their lace, with the HD lace. So I did use this Kiss Temptation Darkest Brown to clean up where I over bleached. So this is the outcome. This is the outcome of me bleaching the hair, which is beautiful, a beautiful chestnut brown. Now I did see V or Vi here do this, where she took, you know, 2 sections from each side, so that would be where your blonde pieces would be. Now mine's, again, didn't end up turning blonde. They turned to a honey blonde. So I could go back in, but I do not want to do that right now to the hair. I like the color that it is now. If you want a lighter or more, you know, lighter color, you can do that. But me, I wanted to have it nice. You know, I don't know. I didn't want to over process the hair. And I love black roots or dark roots. I don't like when the hair is like all the same color anymore. So this is what I wanted, and it's perfect. So here you guys can't see fully, but I am doing the weaving technique, which is where you take one piece, skip the other piece, take another piece with the tail comb, and that's what, and then you'll put a aluminum foil piece there, and that's what you will bleach. Okay, so I did have my aluminum foil pieces ready before I did this, because you don't want to be doing that while you're bleaching. You need to work fast so that you could, all over the head could be even. Now I didn't do the whole entire head. I only did like the first 2 layers, the first top layers. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. But if you guys want to see that actual weaving technique, definitely watch the video that I'll leave down below. It's a V hair, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. Some of you probably already know that already, but yeah, I think that is a pretty cool technique, and I can actually see the highlights in my wig, and I will actually start doing that from now on, because it just gives it dimension, and it's just very cute. It's just a cute style, and you know, this is so in now for fall. So I was like, I have to do this. Like, I have to see if I can get this done. So I'm really actually proud of the wig and how it looks. So I just continue this with, like I said, the first top 2 layers. And yeah, I call it a day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely stay tuned for my full review on what I feel about the hair and the wig, you know. And yes, I really like this WorldNewHair wig. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give, period. Okay, I didn't use anything on top of the hair. All I used was bleach, and I washed the hair out. That's it, and conditioned it.
Jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can, cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Ay, jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can, cause I'm a Barbie.
Okay guys, I didn't get the full video of me styling this hair, but as you can see, I cut my baby hairs, and please don't mind my shirt or my shorts, okay? Please don't mind, or you know, like, don't mind. But yeah, I did decide to just give it some crimps, some waves in the hair, because I don't know how to curl. I don't know how to curl with a curling iron. I only know how to use a curling wand, so I need to practice that, and I didn't have one, so I just used what I had, and I was like, I feel like the waves or the crimps will be better. So that's what I did here, and the hair takes heat very, very well. So I just crimped the hair, and in order for me to keep my curls, I always spray my curls lightly with you know, got to be spray. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm not doing much. Like, it was pretty easy. Honestly guys, I didn't pluck a thing except for the baby hair. I didn't pluck the part because it was already plucked. I didn't pluck the hairline because it was perfect for me. So I didn't really do any of that, and honestly, you don't really have to either. So yeah, like I said, all I did was pluck the baby hairs because I didn't want them too thick, and it was pretty easy, very easy to style, color. As you guys can see, like, you can see the dimension and the different colors of the hair. So yeah, definitely this hair, it looks beautiful.
Bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Ay, jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can, cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Bitch, I'm from the...
Just look how beautiful this hair is, guys. Look at how full. It doesn't look dried out. It just looks amazing, guys. I love it. And then it's full. It's 180 density. And it's very, very full. Now, one thing I will say, guys, make sure that you tint your lace. I will do that next time. I didn't tint my lace this time, but I definitely will. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product of me trying to get the perfect fall highlights, piano looking hair. You know, the hair that's been going around. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. So basically, like, one thing I need to say is I love this wig. Okay, that's on period. Like, I done did all the stuff in the world to this wig. I'm talking bleach, brushed it all types of ways, so much stuff, and honestly, I got very minimal shedding. Very minimal shedding. Even after curling the hair, brushing it out and stuff like that, no shedding. No shedding today when I styled it. This is a body weight 5x5 closure wig in 24 inches. So WorldNewHair is amazing. Okay, let's just say it's amazing. I never heard of WorldNewHair until now, but honestly, I would definitely be checking out WorldNewHair for the near future, because I definitely like that they are what they say they are. So I thought that the wig wasn't going to fit me because, you know, I have a big head. So I, you know, expressed that to them, and they said, well, they said that their wigs come in a large cap, so it's, you know, it's gonna fit. I'm like, okay, if you say so. The wig came and it fits perfectly, y'all. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It does have the adjustable looking strap thingy. I love that the hair can actually take heat. It can take color, like bleaching products and stuff like that. It can take all of that, which is super great for me, as you guys can see. Like, I am loving the hair. It's super thick as well. But again, this is a 5x5 closure wig, and it's like, I just love how deep the closure is. Like the parting is like, look how wide that parting is. I love me. I don't think I could ever go back to a 4x4, but this parting here, 5x5, is amazing. Like, and then I was able to do some baby hairs. Like, basically the closure is from here to here. Like, it's pretty big. It's pretty big. I love this wig. Honestly, I don't know if it's the color, but I love the wig. Like, this is a body wave wig, so I can, you know, have those nice popping curls, which I'm gonna have. I'm gonna eventually get those curls, but I don't have a curling iron. I only have a whole bunch of wands because I don't know how to use a curling iron. So it's like a certain type of curl that I want, and you can achieve it with a flat iron, but I don't know how to do that. This is 180 density, 24 inches, $287. So if I do end up getting a code, I will let you guys know. Also, you guys saw all the goodies that it came with, which is super good. Like, I never seen any hair company supply me with all those things. Like, but yeah, this is how it's looking. That it has body to it. I always wanted to do that, y'all. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm definitely loving it. You guys let me know what you think. So, you know, I kind of gave you guys a review / tutorial all in one, you know, showing you guys how I did my hair. Now, I did look at some videos when it comes to like the whole highlight situation going on. I did look at some videos, and it was my first time doing the little weaving method where you take some hair out, some hair out, so whatever. Then I had to bleach the hair twice. Ugh, guys, that was not fun. But I love that it didn't affect the hair. Like, it didn't make the hair dry, it didn't make the hair shed. It was pretty good. Love when people do this type of hairstyle but they leave the roots black. Like, that's everything to me. Like, when they leave the roots black a little bit, like, that's super cute. Cause it's, yes, y'all, they definitely exceeded my expectations. But yes, y'all, if you guys like this video, give me a big fat thumbs up. If you guys want to see more hair videos, let me know. And you guys follow me on Instagram, on my social media platforms. And don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.